What's up, guys, and welcome one more time to Bitbrother's place where you learn and discover new opportunities every single day. Even though we are in a bear market, dear Lord, what's going on? So nice to have you guys here today. If it's your first time to the channel, of course, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and become part of the Beach family. Follow us on our social media. You can follow us on Twitter, Papa Bitbrother, Casquinha Crypto, and on Instagram, Bitbrother_crypto. Um, there is one. I have one news here for you today. You guys saw what's happened. We know that we have a lot. By the way, there is a lot of in the bear markets. Is a time that you need to be careful with scams and all of this. We've been saying this for a long time. You know that what happened to Celsius? My internet today, guy, is unbelievable. My internet is unbelievable. Celsius paid down 143 million in DAI loan since July 1st. The crypto lender liquidation price on Bitcoin loan has dropped to less than $5,000 according to DeFi industry. Celsius has repaid a substantial amount of outstanding debt to Maker protocol since the beginning of the month, signaling that the troubled crypto lending platform was trying to save off a completely collapse and credible rumors of insolvency. We saw what happened to Celsius the other day, and they are trying or they are fighting not to completely collapsed. So since July 1st, Celsius has repaid 142.8 million worth of DAI stable coins across 4 separate transactions. According to data from DeFi Explorer, the crypto lender still has 82 million in outstanding debt owned to the maker out of 1.8 billion in lifetime investments. The firm loss currently stands at $667.2 million. With the loan repayment sales liquidation price on its wrapped Bitcoins, loan has dropped to 4 million, I guess, 966,900. I know 4,000 Bitcoins.
No, $4,000. The price of Bitcoin
worth
for
of
liquidation.
Bitcoins. Shit, huh? The liquidation price reportedly fell by nearly half since Celsius posted a 64 million DAI payment on July 4th, where hours after it paid 50 million in DAI. As you can see here, there was a will the Celsius community short squeeze works? Majority said 40% yes. Guys, but in the end of the day, what you need to always remember and think that it's okay be on exchange. There is so many tokens and so many things that you can do when your money is on the exchange, but you need to understand that the risk, not an exchange or any centralized entity, any centralized loan or platform or lending platform. So if you leave your money there, you have to have in the back of your mind that there is risk to be leaving those money there. Okay, it's when it's centralized, it's dangerous. So if you look, even places like OpenSea, the most famous the most famous NFTs blockchain within Ethereum and Solana now, and Clayton, I think they had there as well. But OpenSea delisted Bored Ape Yacht Club for a little while, I think couple of days ago, and the community of Bored Ape was crazy and like, what's going on? What the fuck is going on? I'm just telling you, it's because it's centralized. If literally OpenSea close their doors, if you have a Bored Ape worth millions of dollars, you just basically will lose your money because it's in a centralized platform. So yes, centralized is good in certain aspect for certain things, but you need to know that there is risk of leaving your money there. That's why I think one of the main reasons why crypto was created was for the decentralization of keeping your money, have a control over the money you earn, right? So anyway, it's a bear market. You must be aware and be careful out there because things are not easy at the moment. Like me and Papa were saying earlier on, we're not even checking our portfolio because there's no point. Uh, if you're not gonna touch your tokens, if you're not gonna sell, which you shouldn't be selling now. Now is the time not for selling anything. You shouldn't be worried about. You should relax sometimes. Just close the computer, close the chart, and go enjoy your time with your family. That's it. And of course, DCA, wait for opportunities, study the market. Of course, you need to keep your eyes open for those opportunities, right? Anyway, I'm Casquinha Crypto, and let's go.
Nice one, guys. Nice one. So, guys, welcome. And so, like Casca said, bear market full on, full on, full on. But of course, always there's opportunities. And I think, guys, I said in my live yesterday, you don't realize how important this time it is in your life. In a couple of years' time, you're gonna look back and you're gonna, if you see this live, okay, I'm I'm certain that you're gonna say, "Thank God I watched that live on that day." Okay, so 5th of July 2022, you're gonna be like, "Shit, why I didn't see that?" Okay, so I hope you understand that because the opportunities, the like people say, you make money on a bull market, but you'll make life-changing money on a bear market. So I hope you understand that and just see the opportunities. Okay, so we're gonna talk a little bit more about that, where we are now. Did we reach the bottom, guys? Do you think we reached the bottom? Do you think we can go any lower? So let us know as well. Casca always keeps saying to us that he expects us to go lower than 20, and I also think we're gonna get there. I said that yesterday as well, and we have to keep repeating this because people panic from one day to the next. Okay, guys, and I hope you understand how volatile the market is and always will be. I think maybe in 10 years time will be less volatile, but if you're gonna go and if you're gonna DJ and get low cap coins, and then for sure it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be a roller coaster in your life. So if you're not ready for this, just stick to Bitcoin and maybe Ethereum, and then you sort it. You don't have to work with volatility. And whenever you feel that Bitcoin reach a price that you would like to sell, you do and live your life. Okay, so Ethereum at 1098, a little bit lower than yesterday. Everything a little bit lower than yesterday. Apart from Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin is a bit higher today, right? It says 1.65, but yesterday went almost at 19,000, but it's hovering around 19 and 20,000, which for me is a very good place to be right now. Although the market cap it's about 13 billion less. Okay, but it's not worth to go through coins. I keep saying to you guys, I said 3 days ago about which coins I'm looking at. Okay, and Casca also, actually was Friday. So last Friday we talked about the coins we're looking at, the coins that I'm planning to DCA. So yeah, if you what happened here? Sorry, guys, something happened. Let me just, anyway, let's go to this one. Guys, so Washigorira, Bitcoin ghosting channel weekly. Historically, when the ghosting channel switched to red, it didn't take long for Bitcoin to find its bottom. Okay, guys, ghosting channel, it's of course a metric from TA, technical analysis. Of course, we don't really understand how the ghosting channel really works, but this is very simple here. Once it changes from green to red, it's a bear market. Once it changes from red to green, it becomes the bull run. Okay, so basically it says here it took 4 weeks in 2015 and 6 weeks in 2018. We have just entered the 5th week. So basically, once the ghosting channel changed from green to red, in 2015, 4 weeks reached the bottom, and in 2006, in 6 weeks reached the bottom. So that means if we're following that, And we could say that we adding 2 weeks. Let's say we take that and we say, oh, it's adding 2 weeks every time we change. So maybe we reach in the 5th week. Let's say maybe we could resemble the 2018, but we could add 2 more weeks, and let's say end of July, we're probably gonna be reaching the bottom according to this metric with the Gaussian channel. Plus RSI's never been that oversold, RT appreciated. So please retweet here and let's do that because it's really nice what he says. So basically, guys, this is the Gaussian channel. I think if you have a paid trade view, you can probably download Gaussian channel to keep an eye on it. And remember that the Gaussian channel here is on the weekly, okay? So you can see here every single time, like it changed from green to red, and in 4 weeks, we reach the bottom, okay? And then we just, once it changed from red to green, start the bull run again. You can see here again as well. So we're into red until here. Although you can see here that it changed to green, but it had a drop, okay, according to this, it had a drop, yeah, and then we went straight up. So that was the 10th of December 2018. But it's still, of course, it wasn't as low as this, right, guys? It went up and then down again, but still, if you bought here, it wasn't as low as that one, okay? So this metric says that. And so basically, guys, everything indicates that we are very close to the bottom if we not reached the bottom already. So, again, keep an eye on it, because if it goes down, have your money ready to DCA as soon as possible. Cycle difference: previous bull runs, blow off top, and then bear market, accumulation, then bull run. This time, no blow up top. So you can see the previous bull run, guys, it's the same kind of system. So it went bull run, blow off top, down, accumulation, and then again, blow up top, bottom, accumulation, and then we back up again. But this time, no blow off top, bear market, straight into bear market. The lack in blow off top is why I'm not expecting extended period of accumulation at the bottom, contrary to what the majority thinks. Okay, guys. So basically, what he says here, the JJ cycles, he says that we are not going to have accumulation zone too long. We're going to go straight up to the bull market, guys. And again, the bull market could take years to reach its peak, right? Until we have a blow off top again. So, or we could follow this. We could go steadily up, like was the previous bull run was like that, right? Steadily up, and then we stayed here for a long time, and then went down, then went up, but wasn't this big blow off top, okay? So let us know what you think, if this is what's gonna happen again, and let us know your target, guys, for this bear market as well. Is it 12,000-13,000 like we expect, or you believe it's not gonna reach that at all? Like I said yesterday, I think if we're gonna happen to reach 12,000, it's gonna be a week, and it's gonna be very quickly. I think the buying orders, about 16, 17,000, they're so strong that he probably is gonna, if goes there, it's gonna be really quick. So you have to have your money ready. You have to be here in front of the computer to be able to buy, or you already have your pre-orders booked in, which unfortunately I don't have, to buy the dip. Okay, so after that, guys, what happened again? Altcoin market parabolas. I told about the Bitcoin parabolas, yes, the tech dev did, and today we're gonna look at the altcoin market parabolas. Okay, so the altcoins goes like this, guys, and then again, so you can see here that what happened here, he puts these little dots here showing like exactly how little tops there, and then higher lows, lower lows, and blah blah blah. So he put all of that there, and then he sees the RSI is the same kind of thing where we are right now, and then we can see that he went really straight up, and we're probably on the verge of starting to go up. Guys, I think, of course, we're just waiting. Once Bitcoin bottoms, everything's gonna bottom, and then after that, it's just up. I think it's just the way up. It's slow, yes, slow, but just the way up. Guys, if you manage to time and get something, a Bitcoin at 15, 16, 17, if you manage 12, 13, if it goes there, it's going to be pretty much impossible for you to lose money, because after that's just going up for me pretty much. So not financial advice. So probability spread and risk reward is for you to decide. Altcoin market, it's at the critical intersection of an 8-year trend line prior to all-time high and parabolic arc, just as late as 2016. No specific targets or time implied by these microstructure observations. Will you see how market cap reacts in the next few months around these intersection points? Okay, so basically he says the intersection points here is where you time the top, but like he said, everything still, not sure, like everything in crypto. Okay, guys, that's his ideas of how things gonna go. But yeah, so I'm just reading something else, guys, here. So anyway, guys, let us know what you think it's gonna happen. Thank you so much for being here with us today. I hope you enjoyed the program, the show, and yeah, and that's it. Subscribe to the channel, follow us on Instagram and Twitter.
And if you're gonna do any sort of trading, remember now is not really time for trading, but if you're gonna do, be careful because prices are very volatile. The other day, I don't know, I don't remember who I heard saying this, but if you're gonna do any sort of money on Bitcoins, remember trying to go to the ratio that Bitcoin is going at the moment. Maximum is going up to 21 and then drop to 18. So it's playing inside that range of 21 to 18. So you have to be careful with that. It's not really breaking above 21, 22. It might do in the next couple of months or so, but we need to keep our eyes open and, of course, be careful not to lose your money. You don't want to do that, right? So sit tight, like we said, don't rush. Close the computer, go enjoy your life as well, and be careful. Be careful out there. That's it from us, guys. Have a great day, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.
Take care,
Ciao.
everyone.